Understanding renew ties in English. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, renew ties. Have you ever wondered what it means to renew ties with someone? It's not about fixing your wardrobe. Stick around as we explore the meaning and use of this phrase. Renew ties is a phrase that signifies re-establishing or strengthening relationships that have become distant or strained. It's about reconnecting and rebuilding bridges with friends, family, colleagues, or even nations. The word, renew, implies a sense of bringing back to life something that was once vibrant. Renewing ties can be essential for personal growth and maintaining social networks. It often involves communication, understanding, and sometimes forgiveness. Whether it's reaching out to an old friend or mending a professional relationship, renewing ties can lead to opportunities and emotional support. The process of renewing ties can vary greatly depending on the context. It might start with a simple message, a phone call, or arranging a meeting. The key is to show genuine interest and the willingness to listen and engage. It's also important to be patient, as rebuilding trust takes time. Let's see how renew ties can be used. After years of not speaking, Alex decided to renew ties with his brother. The two countries are holding talks to renew diplomatic ties. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning of renew ties. It's all about reconnecting and nurturing relationships that matter to us. If there's someone you've lost touch with, perhaps it's time to reach out. Thanks for watching, and may your efforts to renew ties be fruitful and rewarding.